Hi, welcome back to Economics for Students. In this video, we are going to discuss how to calculate median from grouped data. Grouped data is again classified under two categories: discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. First, we will learn how to calculate median from discrete frequency distribution. In this case, less than type cumulative frequency is first calculated. We are denoting less than type cumulative frequency by CF. If the total frequency is capital N, then the value of the variable corresponding to cumulative frequency n plus 1 by 2 represent the median. Therefore, median ME is equal to value of x corresponding to cumulative frequency n plus 1 by 2. Let us consider this example. We have to find median for this discrete frequency distribution. Here total frequency capital N is equal to 225. It is calculated by adding all the frequencies in F column. Let us find the middlemost value. This is the given frequency distribution. First we will calculate less than cumulative frequencies and construct the CF column. In CF column, we add the successive frequencies from top to bottom and write it next to the respective x values. Here cumulative frequency 2 is written corresponding to value 73. Then 2 plus 14 is equal to 16 is written next to the value 74. Next, 2 plus 14 plus 29, which is equal to 45, is written next to 75, and so on. For a discrete frequency distribution, median is equal to value of x corresponding to CF n plus 1 by 2. Here, cumulative frequency n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 225 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 113, and it lies within CF 124. The corresponding value of x is equal to 77. Therefore, median is equal to 77. Now let's discuss how to find median from a continuous frequency distribution. In a continuous frequency distribution, median corresponds to cumulative frequency n by 2. Here, first the median class is determined. Then, to calculate median, the following formula is applied. The formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. Here, L is equal to lower limit of median class, capital N is total frequency, CF is equal to cumulative frequency prior to the median class, F is equal to frequency of the median class, I is equal to width of the median class. Consider this example. Calculate median from the following grouped frequency distribution. Here, class intervals and class frequencies are given. We have to find the median. This is the given data. Here also, first we have to find out less than cumulative frequencies or CF. Here median corresponds to CF n by 2, which is equal to 31. Now cumulative frequency 31 lies within cumulative frequency 35. Hence median class is 35 to 45. So therefore here L is equal to 35. CF, that is cumulative frequency prior to the median class, is equal to 15. F, that is frequency of the median class, is equal to 20. I, width of the median class, is 45 minus 35 is equal to 10, and capital N is equal to 62. Now we will apply the formula ME is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I and substitute the values in this formula. After calculating, we found that median is equal to 43. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful for you, please do click the like button. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on economics and statistics. Thank you.